Okay, today we're going to review the exhaust system that we've produced here at MRT for the Ford Edge. This is the new EcoBoost Edge 2016. So we've developed an axle-back exhaust. This is a very easy installed product, replaces the muffler section, and the goal is to add performance sound to the vehicle, give it a little sporty sound, but not become obnoxious, not become angry, not be inappropriate sounding for what this vehicle is and what the style vehicle. So this system is intended to meet that person. Just wants a little toughness, a little sport sound, and add a little performance along the way. So let's go do a driving evaluation. So we're just accelerating from a stop, 30 miles an hour. I have a very minimal amount of exhaust presence. I can tell that there's exhaust. I can hear the engine. No boom, no resonance, no rattling, anything obnoxious. Now the next dynamic is we're going to hop up on the highway. We're going to go through the RPM range through a couple gears and settle in at the 70 mile an hour range to see what happens for drone or resonance. That'll tell us whether for a long trip, spending a great amount of time in the vehicle, if there's going to be any unpleasing, disturbing sounds that emerge. So as it drops a gear and starts getting up to speed, we can hear that performance sound. All right, now we're at 70 miles an hour, so certainly wasn't much of a labor to get up to 70. I've got what I'm going to call a nice little low, deep rumble. No booming, no howling, no drone. Not objectionable at all. Pretty much on par with tire noise. Now that I'm up at 75, tire noise, wind noise is kind of overtaking the exhaust note. So I don't believe anybody would have objection to this exhaust system. Running at a highway, windows up, air conditioning on, and enjoying the trip. I think that we've got performance sound when we want it and comfort when we're just cruising. Very nice balance system. I would strongly recommend it to anybody that I know for the Ford Edge.